In this video, I explain how to start a fitness journey. Watch this full video. Starting a fitness journey can be an exciting and transformative experience. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve. Whether it's losing weight, building muscle, improving endurance, or just getting healthier, having clear goals helps keep you focused and motivated. Make your goals smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 2. Assess your current fitness level. Before you start, it's important to know where you are. This can involve a self-assessment or a professional evaluation. Consider factors like your current weight, body measurements, endurance levels, strength, flexibility, and any health conditions. 3. Create a plan. Plan your workouts. This could include a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, flexibility exercises, and rest days. Decide on the frequency, duration, and intensity of your workouts. Beginners often start with 3 to 4 days a week and gradually increase as they build endurance and strength. 4. Start slowly. Ease into your new routine to avoid injury and burnout. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Listen to your body and allow time for recovery. 5. Incorporate a balanced diet. Nutrition plays a crucial role in fitness. Focus on a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated and consider consulting a nutritionist for personalized advice. 6. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to seeing progress. Stick to your workout schedule and make physical activity a regular part of your routine. Keep a fitness journal to track your progress and stay motivated. 7. Find a support system. Having a workout buddy or joining a fitness group can provide motivation and accountability. Share your goals with friends or family who can support and encourage you. 8. Educate yourself. Learn about different types of exercises and proper form to prevent injuries. There are many resources available, such as fitness apps, online videos, and books. 9. Monitor your progress. Regularly assess your progress and make adjustments to your plan as needed. Celebrate small milestones and stay positive even if progress is slow. 10. Stay motivated. Keep your workouts interesting by trying new activities or changing your routine. Set short-term goals and reward yourself for achieving them. 11. Get professional help if needed. If you're unsure where to start or need specific guidance, consider hiring a personal trainer. They can create a personalized plan, ensure you're using the correct form, and provide motivation. Remember, everyone's fitness journey is unique. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process of becoming healthier and stronger.